Isaac, can you start this one?
Hopefully.
How old are you?
13 and a half.
Alright, so you're born February, aren't you? Right. Prime the saw up, pull over 6 times. This is what you do if you've got a brand new saw, no fuel. It's had fuel before, but we're going to make sure there's fuel to the cubby. The tank was empty. Alright, put on choke. Decompression. Now stand up and try and start up with gusto.
Get my foot in there, bro.
Oh, there's a fart. Half, turn the choke off, go on one click up. Hopefully it'll start now. Almost. Almost. Oh. There you go. Well, run to start and all good. Do a couple revs. How's your arm? How's your arm? Fine. Okay. Turn it off. This is why you do weightlifting. So he's pretty strong for his age.
I have a gym.
Yeah, you play football too.
9 years. Next year's 10.
Oh, sweet. Alright guys, thanks for watching. And you 13 and a half year olds doing some videos, I want to see you doing it too. Yeah, go on, hang on. Go on, sleep boy. Show me your big muscle. Oh, look at that muscle there, Paul. Alright, thanks guys for watching.